Water meter already installed. Find the ideal foundation for your dream home in the heart of Charlotte Park, Punta Gorda. No HOA or deed restrictions! This generous 9,600 square foot lot is situated in a growing neighborhood with new homes emerging, ensuring a vibrant and evolving community. With electricity readily available, constructing your perfect residence will be effortless. Additionally, the convenience of public water access enhances the appeal of this prime real estate, providing a hassle-free living experience. Enjoy the charm of Charlotte Park, where this lot offers easy access to shopping, schools, and a delightful selection of restaurants. Your future home will be close to all essentials, offering a lifestyle of comfort and convenience. Seize this chance to join a rising community where modern living blends seamlessly.